ProImage comes supplied with a number of pre-built templates for Microsoft Word, and these can be very useful for putting together case studies, before and after, referral letters, and other types of patient documentation. It's a very powerful tool that will work directly with ProImage. So to get started in this, we go down to the Start button, we right-click, and we come up to Explore. And by clicking on Explore, we launch Windows Explorer, and what we have here is the local disk C, and by expanding that and going down to Program Files and clicking on the little plus sign for Program Files, we'll get all of our programs in alphabetical order. We go down to ProImage and hit the little Expand button, and notice here we have a folder called Templates, and when we click on Templates, we have 4 Microsoft Word documents. Instructions for how to set up the templates for 2003 and for 2007. So I would suggest printing out whichever one of these 2 documents applies to whichever version of Word you have, either 2003 and 2007. And once you're set up, you then print out the using, and we have instructions for 2003 and Word 2007. So whichever one you would have, you would follow that. Basically, the usage instructions are telling you how to cut and paste images from ProImage over into these documents. So basically, after setting up the documents, what you really have is a means in Word by which you can open the different templates and actually use them. So I've already set everything up here, and I just launched Word, so I'm going to close this. Now, by clicking on this little symbol and going to New, when I click on New, I have all of this, and I have here My Templates. By clicking on My Templates, notice that I now have templates that are set up and ready to use. And by clicking on the ProImage tab, and this is all done in the setup instructions, I have these various templates, and I can open any one of these templates as a document. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Case Study 6 as a document, say OK. And here I have my logo and my letterhead and all, and I'm ready to go. I also have instructions here that I can delete that just remind me how to do this. So I've now selected this first position, and I want to put a radiograph in there. I go over to ProImage, which I already have running. I launch a patient window, go into a template, and double click on this bite wing. I come up to the Edit drop down menu. I drop down Edit, and I say Copy Image. I click on Copy Image. Then I go down to document number 2, which is the document I just opened from the template, and I hit Control V on my keyboard, which pastes that image right in. This red writing up here is simply a reminder of how to do what I just showed you. So if I delete that, I get rid of that. I can come up and put in patient name, patient ID, actions taken, and so forth, and then save the document. And I'll say Save As, and I'll call it case.docx because I happen to be in Word 2007, and say Save, and OK to that, and there I am. I'm all set. So this can be a very powerful and useful feature. By making up the provided templates, you'll also have an idea if you want to make up something custom. You can make up any number of different templates and add them to your folder of templates, and they will always show up under that ProImage tab when you want to launch Word and do case referral studies.